Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the low volume problem on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and call volume in the settings. So open up the settings. Now here in the settings, go to the sounds and vibration. Here in the volume, click on show more. And make sure that music, videos, games, and calls are set to the max value. Now you guys can change it just by sliding your finger and make sure to slide it all the way to the right. After that, what you guys can do is make sure that do not disturb right up here is disabled, because it can also influence the low volume problem. So we definitely want to disable it. And now what we can do next is restart our phone. So all we have to do is hold the power button only and now click on restart, and we need to tap it again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. Now, after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any audio glitches. So go over to the settings and here scroll all the way down until you guys see system and updates. After that, click on the software update and it will check for updates. As you guys can see, I have the latest version and my software is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it, as it can fix a lot of issues. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.